Hello, everyone. Are you looking for the best baby chair, but don't know which one to choose? You've come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to the 3 best baby chairs on the market in 2025. Together, we'll look at their features, pros, cons, and even customer reviews to help you make the best choice. Let's get started. Top 3. The Fisher-Price Sit-Me-Up Floor Seat. The Fisher-Price Portable Baby Chair Sit-Me-Up Floor Seat with developmental toys, catchy name, I know, is designed to help babies sit up on their own, safely and comfortably. It's especially great if your little one isn't quite ready to sit up solo but hates lying on their back all day. You get this soft, cozy chair with a wide base, so it's not tipping over anytime soon. That seat pad? Machine washable. Because let's be honest, babies are adorable little mess machines. It also folds flat. Not kind of flat, like really flat. You can slide it under the bed or toss it in the trunk without it eating up all your space. So if you're the kind of parent who's always bouncing between grandma's house and playdates, this thing is a dream. Now here's the fun part. Toys. It comes with 2, 1 clacker and 1 flower teether. They're simple, but babies love them, especially when they're just figuring out how their hands work. It keeps them busy while you grab a coffee, or just take 5 minutes to breathe. Size-wise, it's about 20 inches wide and 12 inches tall, and it weighs just under 5 pounds. So it's light, but still sturdy. The recommended weight limit is 25 pounds, which means you'll get a decent amount of use out of it before your baby outgrows it. Now, who's it really for? If your baby is able to hold their head up on their own but isn't crawling or climbing yet, this is the sweet spot. Most parents say it's best around 4 to 6 months. It helps babies build neck strength and feel involved in the action, especially when you're moving around the house. It's way more supportive than just propping them with pillows. Let's talk about what people love. First, parents rave about how sturdy it is. Like, once baby's in there, they're not tipping over or flopping to the side. It gives them that upright view of the world they love. Also, it's easy to put together. No tools. No swearing. Just unfold and boom, you're done. And portability? 10 out of 10. Whether you're cooking, folding laundry, or hanging in the backyard, you can bring this chair with you. One parent even called it a game changer. It's one of those things you don't realize you need until you have it. Okay, but it's not perfect. Some parents say the leg holes are a little tight, especially if your baby's got chunky thighs. So if your baby's on the bigger side, just something to keep in mind. Also, it doesn't recline, so if your baby gets tired, they'll have to nap somewhere else. And while the toys are fun, they're not super high-tech. No lights, no sounds. Just basic play stuff. Which honestly isn't a deal breaker, but if you want more bells and whistles, this might feel a little too simple. So the Fisher-Price Sit-Me-Up is great for helping babies sit up before they can do it on their own. It's sturdy, lightweight, folds flat, and comes with 2 fun toys. It's perfect for babies around 4 to 6 months, especially if they want to see what's going on around them. Downside? Tight leg holes for chunkier babies and no recline feature. But if you're looking for something portable, easy to clean, and parent-approved, you found it. Top 2. The UpSeat Baby Floor Seat Booster Chair. The UpSeat Baby Seat is no ordinary chair. This thing was designed with real physical therapists, not just slapped together in a factory. It was built to actually support your baby's back, hips, and posture. From as early as 4 months all the way up to 2 years, or up to 30 pounds, your baby can sit up like a champ. The seat's made of soft foam. It's squishy, comfy, and feels good for little legs and little butts. Plus, there's enough space for those chunky baby thighs we all love. No pinching, no squeezing. And the hips? The shape of the seat makes sure they're in the right position to grow the way they should. It's safe, smart, and comfy all in one. Now let's talk about how you actually use it. This thing isn't stuck to just one job. It's a floor seat. It's a booster seat. It's a feeding chair. And it comes with a tray. Yep, you can snap the tray on for snacks, little toys, or full-on baby meals. Then, pop it off and clean it when things get messy. Which, let's be honest, they will. The whole seat is super easy to wipe down. Spit up? Crumbs? Drool puddles? No problem. Parents love how portable it is. It's not bulky or heavy. It even has a handle. So whether you're heading to grandma's house, setting up in the kitchen, or just moving from the couch to the floor, you can bring it without feeling like you're carrying gym equipment. The design is also a win. It doesn't scream baby gear all over your house. It's modern and simple, so it blends right in with your furniture. No bright cartoon prints, just a clean and chill look. But like anything, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Some parents feel it's a bit pricey. Around $100 for a baby seat? Yeah, that can feel like a lot. But here's the thing, you're paying for quality, real design, medical grade materials, and a seat that actually grows with your kid. Plus, it comes with a lifetime warranty. Break it? They'll replace it. Even the tray has a 1-year warranty. Now let's talk about what real parents are saying. One mom said her 4.5-month-old sits in it like she runs the place. Posture's better. No slouching. No folding over like a potato. And she can finally sip her coffee in peace. Another parent said they love how sturdy it is. Their baby kicks, twists, throws little fits, but the seat stays solid. And it's so light, they carry it room to room without thinking twice. It's not perfect for everyone. A few folks said their baby outgrew it quicker than they hoped, or that the seat fit was a little tight. So if your baby's on the bigger side, that's something to think about. Alright, let's wrap this up. The up seat is comfy. It's built smart. It helps your baby sit upright. It comes with a tray. It's easy to clean. It moves wherever you need it. And yeah, it costs more than some of the basic chairs out there, but it actually does what it says. If you're looking for something safe, sturdy, and developed with actual baby health in mind, this might be the chair for you. Top 1. The KB3 in-1 Foldable Baby High Chair. Alright, first thing you gotta know. This thing is versatile. It's not just a basic high chair. It's more like the Swiss Army knife of baby chairs. You can adjust it to 7 different heights, tilt it in 4 ways, move the footrest around, and even shift the tray in 3 positions. That means your baby eats sitting up straight, chills back a bit for milk time, or just kicks back and plays. It grows with your baby from 6 months all the way up to 3 years old, or about 50 pounds. So yeah, this chair is in it for the long haul. The tray? Totally removable. You just pop it off and rinse it in the sink. No tools, no drama. Same with the seat, it comes right off for deep cleaning. No food crust stuck in weird spots. The seat cover's made of this polyurethane material that wipes clean in 2 seconds. Big win for messy eaters. It also folds. Like super fast. You're not wrestling with it. You fold it down, stash it in a corner, and boom, more space in your kitchen. It's got 2 locking wheels, too, so you can roll it around the house without scratching your floors or waking the baby. Now here's the part that babies love. The toy arch. Yep, it comes with one for free. It's got toys you can take off and swap around, and the whole thing can be angled however you want. Keeps your little one entertained while you're heating up their food or just grabbing a quick breather. Now, let's talk safety, 'cause that matters a lot. It's got a 5-point safety harness, the kind you find in strollers, and a leg divider to keep them from sliding down. The frame feels solid, real sturdy, doesn't wobble like those cheap ones. It's made with BPA-free plastic, so no nasty chemicals touching your kid's food. But hey, no product is perfect, right? So, what's the downside? Well, a few customers notice something off with the straps at the back, like the part where it connects keeps popping out. That's obviously a problem, especially if your baby's a wiggler. And their customer service? Meh. Some people said the numbers don't work, emails go unanswered, and even though they say they're in California, the company's actually based in China. That doesn't automatically mean it's bad, but when it's a baby product, you kinda want support that's easy to reach. So, yeah, heads up. Still, most people are happy with it. One mom said she looked at 15 different chairs before picking this one, and she's glad she did. Another said it feels super secure, adjusts easily, and the straps are solid. Spanish-speaking moms love it too. Shout out to the one who called it Segura y Komoda for her princess. So, let's do a quick recap. The KB3 in one high chair is great if you want something that grows with your baby, is super easy to clean, and doesn't eat up space in your kitchen. The adjustable features? Solid. The toy arch? Bonus. But if you're picky about customer service or need something super high-end, maybe keep looking. That's it for today. Don't forget to check the links in the description for the latest prices and availability. Let me know in the comments which of these baby chair you're thinking of using, or if you already own one of these models. See you in the next video.